After a few days in Prague, Czech Republic, we are heading to Dresden, Germany. We purchased the train tickets online, and they were $26.50 each. It takes less than 2.5 hours to get to Dresden. Our first meal in Germany was at this restaurant. It was so delicious. Dresden, the capital of Saxony in eastern Germany, is located on the river Elbe. Saxony is a federal state bordering Poland and the Czech Republic. Dresden was heavily bombed during World War II, leading to significant destruction. However, the city has since undergone extensive reconstruction. The Zwinger is a magnificent Baroque palace complex. It was originally built as an orangery and a venue for court festivities in the early 18th century. Today, the Zwinger is home to several renowned museums. Unfortunately, the palace's inner courtyard was being renovated when we visited. The Frauenkirche is a historic Lutheran church built between 1726 and 1743. The church was almost completely destroyed during World War II bombings. After Germany's reunification, a large reconstruction project began, and the church was fully restored and reopened in 2005. We took a break while admiring the Augustus Bridge, which connects the old town with the new town. The mural, originally painted between 1870 and 1876, features 35 rulers of Saxony. Later, it was replaced with porcelain tiles, making it the world's largest porcelain artwork. We bought Baumkuchen at this confectionery shop, which has a history of 200 years. We had a light meal at the hotel restaurant and ended our first day in Dresden. Originally built in the 13th century, Dresden Castle is one of the oldest buildings in Dresden. It has served as a residence for Saxon kings and electors for over 400 years. This castle was also severely damaged during the war, but has been restored, and today it houses several museums. Dresden Cathedral was built between 1739 and 1751 by Italian architect Gaetano Chiavari. It served as the court church for the electors of Saxony and remains the city's largest church. We had a late breakfast at a cafe on Neumarkt Square overlooking the Frauenkirche church. Next, we're heading to our final destination of this trip, Berlin, Germany.